Homemade pesto and sun-dried tomatoes rolled into a thinly sliced chicken breast to create the most delicious and fancy chicken dish. Chicken pesto roll-ups require a little bit of skill, but it's so worth it for this flavorful experience in every bite. And I'm going to show you how to make these today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. To make the pesto chicken roll-ups, we need to make the key ingredient first, the pesto. Homemade pesto is fairly simple to make. It just needs a few ingredients and a way to blend them together. Store-bought pesto can also work if you want to go that route. To make the pesto, we're going to be using a food processor, and we're going to simply add in 2 cups of loosely packed fresh basil leaves, 3 whole cloves of garlic, 1/2 a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/3 a cup of olive oil, and 1/4 a cup of pine nuts. Blend these ingredients until smooth. Simple as that, we have our homemade pesto that you can store in the fridge for up to a week, but we aren't going to do that with this. Oh no, no, no. What we're going to do is wrap it up inside this chicken. Take one piece of chicken and horizontally cut that in half. Take one of those pieces of chicken and place it in between 2 sheets of plastic. Then pound that until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. Then go ahead and finish up with the remaining chicken. Lay out the chicken cutlets and sprinkle each side of the chicken with a combination of 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Spread 1 tablespoon of the pesto mixture onto that chicken cutlet, but don't go all the way to the edge. Keep about 1/2 inch around the perimeter. Then we're going to place about 1/2 tablespoon of chopped sun-dried tomatoes. These are oil packed, but you could use dry as well. Next, we simply just roll it up nice and tight and secure it with a toothpick. Then wash up and let's head over to the stove. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And in an oven-safe dish, heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil on the stovetop over medium-high heat. Add in the chicken and let it brown on all sides, which will take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Using the leftover pesto, we're going to mix that with 1/2 a cup of heavy cream and the remaining sun-dried tomatoes. Mix that together until it's well combined. Turn off the heat from the chicken and pour that sauce over it. The chicken is simply browned on the outside, but it's not fully cooked on the inside, so we need to bake it at this point. But first, cheese. Sprinkle that with 1 cup of mozzarella and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken safely reaches a temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve this up on your favorite bed of pasta or some mashed potatoes and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.